Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 9 Pie system head unit for Kia Sportage. Kia Sportage 2018, 2019, 2012, 20. Okay, let me introduce head unit. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Special harness with canvas box. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. There come with two special harnesses for Kia Sportage 2019-2020. Okay, let me introduce one of cable harness. You can check Sportage power cable. Okay, it will come with canvas box and this connector. This video input. This AUX. This AUX input left and right. As I tap this AUX input and this camera input. Okay, and this harness. Also come with a head unit. Okay, this is factory camera. Okay, this USB cable. Okay, it will come with external microphone. This insert part, left and right, and with screws. Insert part, screw. This original USB. This radio antenna. This camera input. This AUX left and right, and video input. This audio cable, subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out front and the rear, left and right. Okay. Let me show head units. Okay, you can check it come with GPS antenna. It's GPS antenna. It's front and the side. And the back, this GPS antenna connect this connector, and there is a long cable for USB. It's 2 USB cable and external microphone. You can check this radio antenna. This connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, this power, this fuse. Okay. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, head unit started. Okay, let me introduce. You can adjust the brightness, its data and the time, its radio. Bluetooth, very fast response. It's built-in DSP amplifier. It have bass and sub control. And settings you can adjust sound, EQ, Okay, it's balanced. You can adjust this dB. It's built-in DSP amplifier. Okay, let me introduce settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check MCU variant, CPU octa-core PX5, RAM 4GB, PX5, octa-core Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. There are SD card slot. It's volume button. It's back button. Back button. Home button, reset hole. It's built microphone. Okay, let me check. Settings, storage. You can check total 64 GB. Car settings. Let me check personal settings. And the navigation setting, you can set Google Maps, GPS test. Driving setting, turn on the watch video. This reserved for backup camera. Rear ruler, tracking display, X mirroring, is steering wheel control buttons. And it can change the language. Any language you can change it built in. Okay, that's all. Thank you.